Breaking, your 2025 Tesla Model 3 performance might be secretly slow. Record scratch, SFX. I'm kidding, kinda. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm your newsroom pit crew. Whoosh SFX. If you've got the 2025 Model 3 performance and you want stage 1 gains without voiding your life savings, buckle up. Hook 5 seconds, let's go. This $10 setting could make you faster than your friend's V8. Bass drop. Spoiler, it's your right foot, and better tires. Better tires. Headline, best stage 1 upgrades. Safe, reversible, daily drivable. Safe, reversible, daily drivable. 1. Tires equal sign lap time. Swap to 200-300 treadwear summer performance tires. Grip horsepower, especially on an EV. Your launches stop feeling like ice skates with Wi-Fi. 1. Wheels, go lighter, not larger. Aim flow-formed or forged. Correct offset. Hub-centric rings. Drop unsprung weight for snappier turn-in and better range. 1. Brakes you trust. High-friction street track pads, stainless lines, high-temp fluid. Your regen is cool, but heat fade is not. 1. Alignment equal sign secret sauce. Mild negative camber. 0 to slight toe for turn-in without chewing tires. It's science and vibes. 1. Springs or mild coilovers. Lower center of gravity, less roll. Keep it tasteful so you don't turn speed bumps into boss battles. 1. Bushings and sway bar refresh. Stiffer rear bar equal sign rotation. Front rear balance to taste. Translation, it stops feeling like a fast couch. 1. Cooling and aero touches. Simple brake cooling ducts. A subtle spoiler for stability. No need for a shopping cart wing, unless you like groceries at 120. Reality check. Power tunes on Teslas are limited and risky. OTA hacks can bork safety systems and warranty. Keep stage 1 mechanical, not magical. Pro tips, run track mode smartly, monitor temps and tire pressures, torque your lugs, EVs are heavy, log before after with a GPS timer, data or it didn't happen. CTA, if you daily any of these, hit like. If you'd risk a spicy software mod, comment send it, and tell me why. Hold up here, tires first or suspension first? Vote now. Subscribe for the deep dive build sheet, costs, and my track test next week. Fake outro music rises. Thanks for just kidding, bonus tip, ceramic coat your wheels, less brake dust drama, more shine. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, this is your EV Nightly and your Model 3 just got meaner. Whoosh plus sting.